This is the nugget method you've been waiting for. Quick version of today, recipe and technique, no fluff. The longer breakdown with the deeper dive is dropping later this week. Let's get into it. You're going to need a cutting board, scale, going to need something to measure in, thermometer, going to need a knife to cut the chicken up with, and we're going to need some way to grind the chicken and mix it. We're going to measure out our seasonings and then our chicken, cut the chicken up into small dice, and then we're going to season the chicken and then mix that up. All measurements and weights will be in the description. Once your chicken is seasoned and mixed up well, we're going to freeze it for about 2 hours to allow the chicken to get down to around 32 degrees and some of it to be a little bit frozen. We're then going to grind the chicken through a small grind plate, ensuring that your grinder is put in the freezer beforehand so it's nice and cold. We need egg yolks, then we're going to need ice, and we're going to smash that up. So we're going to add ice and our eggs to our ground chicken, and then we're going to emulsify our chicken in a mixer using a paddle. This takes approximately 6 to 8 minutes. While my chicken filling is emulsifying, I like to go ahead and make my wet batter. We can then portion our chicken out. I like to use a portion scoop, portion the nuggets, and then press them out. We're going to need some sort of fryer to fry these in, to set them. With your raw frozen chicken nugget pad, you toss them in a little bit of potato starch, and then you're going to fry them a few at a time. We're actually going to double batter these. So first, dip them in the wet batter, brush off the excess, and fry them in small batches, just until the batter is set, about 10 to 20 seconds. Continue until you've coated them all in batter one time. Then we're going to repeat the process, re-dipping them in the batter again. Once they've been fried a second time, you then lay them out and freeze them. From there you can bag them up, and then you made your own frozen chicken nuggets. You can fry, bake, or put in an air fryer right from frozen.
You just take them right out of the freezer after they're done.
I actually baked these in the oven if you're curious what they look like. And they were still beautifully crispy. They were just as good as fried. I hope you enjoyed this video and you make yourself a whole big old pile of chicken nuggets. Thank you so much. Follow for more. Can't forget the sauce.